Looking for faucet replacement and installation in Strathcona County? A faulty or outdated faucet can waste water, lower pressure, and lead to costly repairs. At Kingstree Plumbing, we provide fast, professional faucet installation and replacement, ensuring your fixtures work efficiently. Our licensed plumbers handle everything from kitchen and bathroom faucet installations to touchless models and Moen replacements. Whether you're upgrading your home or fixing a leaking faucet, we guarantee precise workmanship and lasting results. In Strathcona County, homes face hard water buildup and aging fixtures, making expert installation essential for long-term reliability. Our team delivers tailored solutions to keep your plumbing running smoothly. For expert faucet replacement and installation, trust Kingstree Plumbing. Call us now or book online today to schedule your service.